Welcome to this quick guide on how to withdraw your TPCoin balance from the TPA.ai. Step 1. Go to the TPA.ai and log in by selecting your wallet type and entering your phone number to access your account. After logging in, go to the AirDrop section in the left-hand menu to access your AirDrop dashboard. Inside the AirDrop Pool section, find the pool you contributed to and click the View Progress button at the top to request closure. Once a pool close request is submitted, you won't be able to invite new users to that pool. After closing the pool, the fraud detection system will verify your invites. To see your earnings, head to the TPCoin tab on the left-hand menu. You can hold your TPCoin or withdraw it. To withdraw, go to TPCoin in the left menu and click Transfer to Wallet. You're all set. Remember, you can hold your TPCoin and double your tokens as the value increases over time. Thanks for contributing to the AirDrop Pool.